doubt is powerful. Fear is powerful. Anger is powerful. All of these emotions are powerful, but how can we use those and transform them and turn them into gold, overcome whatever, is coming at us in life?
Let's talk about worry. Michelle, worry, oh my gosh, if you live on this planet, you'll have many opportunities to worry if you don't know how to alchemize it, right? We say, I'm going to take this energy, I'm going to feel it. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of concentration here. Let me direct this energy to say, what do I want to create with this energy? So if I worry, I expect and anticipate kind of like not so good outcome. If I notice it and I say, this is my moment of power, I'm noticing I'm worrying, I'm going to feel it, and I'm going to direct my mind. What would I love to create? What would I love to see happen? If I remember, I am an alchemist. And by focusing on the opposite qualities of worry, you begin to build up a completely new energy from within you.